Hey, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? Wanted to pop up another video here for everyone. It is another day in the sessions, Friday, September 6, 2019, wrapping up the first trading week of the fall session. So let's get into it. Yesterday, guys, so we saw, the market's been running past few days, been actually following through from its gap ups, which, obviously we've been seeing the reversals right at the gate after pre-market gap up. So it's nice to see some continuation follow throughs across the board. So SPY actually had a nice, I think over like 4.5 point run before it ran into resistance and pulled back a little over a point and a half, a little bit shy of point and a half. Then consolidated into the close and had a little ramp up, closing just shy of 4 points up. So it was a solid day across the board sectors. We had an 8-3 bull split. IT just ran with it, top position, and you saw utilities, real estate, and consumer staples pulling up the rear in red. But it was a strong day. Let's get into the session. Let's get into our watches today. We got 5 on our session. So let's kick it off. We're gonna talk up with Baba. Baba's been consistent on our list and it's been running nicely. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing, technically looking really good. Obviously, we had our 180 price target that obviously, we had moved our trend line that we've had for quite a while. It's coming really close. It's obviously trading 179 right now. We anticipate it's going to tap that. Whether it's going to get stuffed out and continue and reverse back down, tough to say. But the momentum's on their side, so we anticipate a little bit of a follow through, cracking through that 180. And overall, we have a 184, 185 price target. But that being said, right now we're bullish on it. Not too much, but we want to see how it's going to dance around that 180 level and see what happens around that particular price point. Obviously, contingent on the market overall. Bob definitely moves with the market, so keep an eye on the big picture and see if this thing cracks the 180 and keeps running. Next up, CRM. We're going to continue the same kind of watches we've been looking at lately. They're kind of holding that 15 to 200 day quite nicely on the daily. We got a nice bounce yesterday, trading just shy up of 1.5 points. And we're looking for some bigger moves. So we got another 3, 4, 5 points to the upside we're looking at. Technically, it looks nice. If all goes well, obviously tech sector was up yesterday. We want to continue this sentiment today, and if that's the case, we should see some higher prices. MDB got fucking slammed yesterday. It was a bloodbath right out of the gate. Definitely fought back, as you can see on the 5 minute here. It got stuffed out VWAP and ended up breaking it around 1 p.m. and cracking it up to the upside. That was a good sign. It closed strong. Obviously, there's some good value buyers down here because it shouldn't have sold up that hard. But it's going to dance around this 50 again. Let's keep testing this level. We anticipate it to hold and push higher. So we see it's going to be a good day for some nice profits to the upside for MDB. Next up, we got PANW, Palo Alto. They had a monster day yesterday. As you can see, closing up just north of 11.5 points. Cracking through the 50 and the 200 day. We got a 220 overall price target on these guys. Obviously, as you can see, they cracked right through that pre-market yesterday. We anticipate you're going to tap that thing again. Right now it's trading at 213 pre-market, so we anticipate that level is going to get tapped again. So that being said, let's keep pushing this thing to the upside, and any opportunity to mitigate any pullbacks, we're going to step in. We're going to wrap it up with the trade desk at TTD. We think this thing is going to push lower today, so we're bearish on TDD. Obviously you have that 50 overhead. It definitely had a strong day yesterday, closing up just north of 3.5 points. But that being said, we think the market took it up. So I'm not sure that these guys are going to keep pushing higher today going into Friday's session. So we anticipate some selling pressure for TTD. That's what we got, guys. We got 5 going into our session. Want to know how we're doing it? Come check out the site, thirdstreettrading.com. Search out on the 90-day course, and as always, just be very patient with your price. Be patient with setup. Let price come to you. Do not chase. You chase, you die, as we always say, and always respect your stops. So that's what we got going on, guys. Any questions, reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us an email, whatever's best for you. Have a great day in the markets. Enjoy Friday. Enjoy the weekend. All right, guys. Have a good one.